Reacting to viral YouTube trends of 2025. Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the viral YouTube trends that are shaping 2025. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just a fan of the platform, understanding these trends can help you ride the next big wave, grow your audience, and even boost your income in INR. We'll break down what's trending across shorts and long-form videos, why these trends work, and how you can leverage them for your own channel. Plus, we'll share actionable strategies, real examples, business growth tips, and the best free tools to help you stay ahead. If you find this valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into YouTube growth and digital business. Section 1. The Pulse of YouTube in 2025. YouTube in 2025 is more dynamic than ever. With over 1.5 billion Shorts users and India leading the world in daily watch time, trends are moving faster and reaching wider audiences than ever before. The algorithm now favors content that is authentic, interactive, and community-driven, making it easier for new creators to go viral. Section 2. The Top Viral Trends of 2025. Let's break down the hottest trends lighting up YouTube this year, with a focus on what's working in India and globally. 1. MrBeast-Style Challenges. Why it's viral. Massive engagement, big stakes, and shareable moments. How to use. Adapt the challenge format to your niche. Think budget challenges, local food challenges, or community-driven tasks. Example. Indian creators are running last to leave or biggest giveaway challenges, pulling in millions of views and thousands of new subscribers. 2. Self-improvement and motivational content. Why it's viral. New Year's resolutions and ongoing self-growth trends. How to use. Share your own journey, daily routines, or quick motivational tips in shorts and long form. Example. A creator's 30-day transformation series earned over 5 lakh views and led to a 40,000 rupees per month sponsorship deal. 3. Fitness hacks and health tips. Why it's viral. Health and wellness are evergreen topics, especially post-pandemic. How to use. Post quick workout routines, diet tips, or myth-busting health facts. Example. Home workout shorts are trending, with some channels gaining 10,000 plus subscribers in a single month. 4. Food challenges and short recipes. Why it's viral. Entertaining, relatable, and highly shareable. How to use. Try trending recipes, food hacks, or local food challenges. Example. Spicy noodle challenge shorts are getting over 1 million views in days, while quick recipe videos are driving massive engagement and affiliate sales for kitchen gadgets. 5. Tech reviews and unboxings. Why it's viral. India's tech market is booming. People want quick, honest opinions. How to use. Focus on trending gadgets, smartphones, and quick comparisons. Example. A tech shorts channel reviewing the latest budget phones saw ad revenue jump to 1,20,000 rupees per month after single viral video. 6. Mini vlogs and day in the life. Why it's viral. Relatable, authentic, and easy to produce. How to use. Share snippets of your daily routine, travel experiences, or behind-the-scenes moments. Example. Mini vlogs in Hindi and regional languages are seeing high retention rates and strong community growth. 7. Dance challenges and remix culture. Why it's viral. Interactive, trend-driven, and music-powered. How to use. Participate in trending dance challenges or remix viral songs. Example. Dance challenge shorts using trending Bollywood tracks are consistently hitting the trending page and boosting channel subscribers by 20-30% monthly. 8. Indie animation and storytelling. Why it's viral. Unique, creative, and highly shareable. How to use. Try short animated skits, explainer videos, or serialized stories. Example. Indie animators are building huge fan bases and even launching their own merchandise lines. 9. Reality TV and podcast moments. Why it's viral. Audiences love drama, debates, and real conversations. How to use, react to viral podcast clips, create your own mini reality shows, or highlight trending moments from Indian reality TV. Example: reaction channels focusing on viral podcast moments are seeing a 3x increase in watch time and ad revenue. 10. Pet tricks and cute animals. Why it's viral. Universal appeal, heartwarming content, and easy shares. How to use, showcase your pet's tricks, funny moments, or daily antics. Example: pet shorts are consistently among the top 10 most viewed videos in India every month. Section 3. Table, viral trend performance in 2025. Trend average. Views per video, engagement rate, monetization potential, INR 1,000 views. Best format. MrBeast Challenges 5,000,000 plus very high 120 rupees to 200 rupees long form shorts. Self-improvement 2,000,000 plus high 80 rupees to 150 rupees short series. Fitness hacks 1,50,000 plus high 70 rupees to 180 rupees shorts. Food challenges recipes 3,000,000 plus very high 90 rupees to 170 rupees shorts long form. Tech reviews unboxings 2,50,000 plus high 120 rupees to 250 rupees shorts long form. Mini vlogs 1,000,000 plus moderate 60 rupees to 120 rupees shorts. Dance challenges 2,000,000 plus very high 50 rupees to 100 rupees shorts. Indie animation 80,000 plus high 100 rupees to 200 rupees short series. Reality TV podcasts 1,50,000 plus high 80 rupees to 180 rupees long form. Pet tricks 1,000,000 plus high 70 rupees to 140 rupees shorts. Section 4. Why these trends go viral, educational insights. Algorithm boost. YouTube's 2025 algorithm pushes content that sparks engagement, likes, comments, shares, and replays. Community participation. Trends like challenges and dance routines invite viewers to join in, driving more uploads and shares. Relatability and authenticity. Mini vlogs, self-improvement, and pet videos thrive because they feel real and accessible. Music and remix culture. Trending songs and remixes often go viral as viewers search for new interpretations and creative spins. Evergreen appeal. Tech reviews and educational content continue to perform well because they answer ongoing questions and needs. Section 5. Example: how a creator rode the viral wave. Channel: Fit with Neha. Niche: fitness hacks and challenges. Strategy: Neha started posting daily shorts with trending fitness hacks and 30-day challenge updates, using CapCut for editing and TubeBuddy for keyword optimization. Growth: in 6 months, her channel went from 2,000 to 1,10,000 subscribers. Business impact: AdSense, 1,30,000 rupees per month. Sponsorships, 40,000 rupees per month. Affiliate sales, 25,000 rupees per month. Fitness gear. Key takeaway: leveraging trending formats and free tools, Neha built a full-time income in under a year. Section 6. Strategies to tap into viral trends. 1. Monitor trends daily. Use YouTube Trending, India, Google Trends, and tools like TubeBuddy to spot rising topics. 2. Act fast. Viral trends have a short shelf life. Create and upload while the topic is hot. 3. Optimize for shorts. Most viral trends in 2025 start with shorts. Keep videos under 60 seconds, use strong hooks, and trending music. 4. Engage your audience. Ask viewers to participate in challenges or share their own stories in the comments. 5. Collaborate. Partner with other creators for challenges, reactions, or remix content. 6. Cross-promote. Share your viral videos on Instagram Reels, WhatsApp status, and Facebook for extra reach. Section 7. Free tools to ride the viral wave. Tool use case pricing, INR. CapCut fast video editing, effects free. TubeBuddy trend alerts, SEO free paid, 750 rupees per monthly. Canva thumbnails, branding free paid, 499 rupees per monthly. YouTube Studio Analytics, scheduling free. Google Trends spot rising topics free. InShot mobile shorts editing free. Section 8. Business growth, turning trends into revenue. Monetize early. Viral videos can bring in 1,000,000 plus per month if you hit the right trend and optimize for ads and sponsorships. Diversify income, use affiliate links, example, fitness gear, tech gadgets, paid shoutouts, and digital products. Build community, use viral moments to funnel viewers into your long-form content, live streams, or paid memberships for sustained income. Section 9. Mistakes to avoid. Jumping on every trend. Focus on trends that fit your niche and audience. Ignoring analytics. Track what's working and double down. Low-quality production. Even viral trends need clear audio, good lighting, and engaging editing. Not engaging. Reply to comments and encourage viewers to participate. Ending and call to action. 2025 is the year of fast-moving, community-driven YouTube trends. Whether it's MrBeast-Style Challenges, dance routines, or quick tech reviews, the key is to act fast, stay authentic, and use the right tools. You don't need a big budget, just creativity, consistency, and a finger on the pulse of what's trending. If you found this analysis helpful, subscribe now to our channel, like this video, and comment below with the trend you're most excited to try. Let's ride the viral wave together and turn trends into growth, engagement, and real income in INR. Stay tuned for more strategies, examples, and deep dives to help you win on YouTube in India. Subscribe now. Your YouTube journey starts today.